right, good afternoon and good evening. It is January 22nd. We're in Savannah, Georgia, home, and this is going to be my first wedding of the season. First wedding of the season. Happy 2022. Very happy new year. I know all you DJs had a great year in 2021, and I wish you more greatness in 2022. Today we're going to be downtown Savannah, which is a pretty busy spot, heavy foot traffic. So you know it's going to be a party down there. It's going to be the Haddon wedding. So we have arrived at the venue. Just trying to figure out how to get in. So we told me to set up in the back alley. Or you can park in the back alley and none of the doors open. But I am about 30 minutes out.
I've been scared as hell, 'cause I've heard how the story goes. You get married and you settle down, the passion withers like a rose. But I refuse to lose. This thing had together.